Dear friends of the Slovenian People's Party and dear Frank Bogovic, today you are celebrating the 25th anniversary of your party, which is a real success story in the European Union. It is an honor for me to be present with this video message. As Secretary General, I want to offer you the full support and strength of the European People's Party as we mark your 25th years of existence. For us in the EPP, for me, and the members of our political family, including our governments and heads of state, it is a moment of fruitful celebration. Your strong leadership is always present in Europe and in our family of values and principles which we defend in the EPP. You were the first political party in your country committed to responsibility and Christian democratic principles, the social market economy and democratic values. In this time of economic crisis, it is important to follow this recipe of success to implement the necessary reforms. I celebrate your collaboration with EPP to support our ideas, which have proven to be the right means of overcoming this difficult period as quickly as possible. I hope this collaboration will continue next year when we will witness the next elections of the European Parliament. These elections will be different than any before. For the first time, the EPP will present its own candidate for President of the European Commission. In this sense, I count on you, your neighbours and voters, to support our candidate. I am sure that under the leadership of Frank Bogovic, you will continue to be at the forefront of policy decisions on youth, employment, environment and stability for economic growth. From the EPP, we will support your efforts. Slovenia needs your strong and tenacious leadership and your real, responsible proposals. Today, you are celebrating 25 years of party leadership and are remembered as the first political party in Slovenia to believe in democracy as a common value. You are an example of peaceful transition. Congratulations.